A ship lost for centuries. Completely destroyed. They said it couldn't be restored. But we tried anyway. Because something inside wasn't done yet.
She didn't sink here. She struck and stayed. Centuries passed without a single rescue.
Look at the size of that thing. Incredible. How did it end up here?
God, it's even bigger than the pictures.
Stay sharp. This isn't just a wreck.
No one expected her to still be here.
What survived the impact didn't survive time.
If this section gives way, the whole spine follows.
The water didn't destroy her. When it left, the real damage began.
Saving this is a waste. Not this one, not the Black Pearl.
We're not restoring this. We're rebuilding it.
We don't bring materials, we use what's here.
The jungles embraced it.
There's enough here for a fleet. We start with one.
Pull! 1, 2, 3, pull! Hold it! Together!
Keep it slow and steady, mind the depth. This rock goes deep. Watch your balance on the planks. More light here, please. Just the surface, don't rush it. Mind your step, that beam's loose. I've got this section clear. Look out below, look out below. Keep it steady. This one's about to go. Clear below. Grab that cloth, it's stuck.
All right, hold it steady. Got it. Pull slowly. Lifting now.
Keep it steady. Watch that beam.
Heave! Pull hard! It's coming up!
Watch the starboard side.
Steady!
Keep pushing. Hold it. It's moving. Push. Together. Move it. Hold. Steady now.
Pull! Pull!
Push. Harder. Pull. Again. Hold the beams. Keep it steady. Watch the blocks.
We can't repair her while she's falling. First, we have to make her stand.
Look here, there's a serious hole. It's barely holding. Needs immediate attention.
Integrity is compromised here. We need to assess the full extent before any repairs start. We thought this ship was dead, but something inside is still holding it together. We stripped it down to nothing, and yet it still stands. Not held by ropes, but by something far older. We fixed the ship, but we didn't fix what's inside.